is Billy. I'm 5. Me and my family live in a big house with a white fence and green grass. Daddy is a big lord who drives a shiny car, and Mommy stays at home to take care of things because Daddy says she's good for nothing. She's a really funny lady, especially when she drinks her magic potion. She drinks it all day long, and it makes her do funny dances. After that, she takes a long nap. When Mommy is away to visit her friend Betty Ford, Daddy will have his poker buddy over. I thought poker was a card game, but they never play cards. They just play sailor in the hot tub and sometimes wrestle in their underpants. Daddy says he's always on top. I love my Mommy and Daddy very much. We're a family.